So hi everyone. In this question, what this question is saying that in an experiment to trace the path of a ray of light that is passing through a glass prism for different value of angle of incidence, a student would find that the emergent ray. Some options are given. Like first option is parallel to incident ray, perpendicular is parallel to refracted ray. These are the four options. Okay. Now look at this. In this diagram, you can see we are having a prism, and this is the incident ray. This incident ray, this is normal. Okay, we have drawn a normal. So the angle made by the incident ray with the normal is known as angle of incidence. This is angle of incidence. Then after that, light is going to change a medium. Here air, like let us suppose this prism is made up of some glass, some variety of glass. Okay, say crown glass, different types of glasses, different refractive index. Let us suppose it is this glass is having certain refractive index mu. Now, light is going from rarer to denser, it will bend towards the normal. So you can check it is bending towards normal. So this is angle of refraction R1. Okay. Then again it is going from denser to rarer, it will bend away from the normal. This is again we will draw normal. Now this is the angle of emergence. Angle of emergence. And this angle of emergence depends on the angle of incidence. If you change the angle of incidence, then it will also change. So it will bend. Or right option is, what is the right answer? Option D. Bends at an angle to the direction of incident ray. You can check. Incident ray. This is incident ray. Can you check? Emergent ray is bending from the incident ray. You can check. This is known as angle of deviation. At what angle it is going to deviate, that is angle of deviation. So bend at an angle to the direction of incident ray. So if I change this angle of incidence, then it will also change. Understood? So option D is correct. Clear? If you want me to draw, like I can draw also. Like this is a prism. Okay, quickly I will draw. Like this angle of incidence. You will draw the normal like this. So rather than going straight, it will bend. Then you will draw the normal like this. So it will going like this, emergent ray. Now you can check if there is no prism, then this incident ray is going straight. It is going straight. So how much angle, at what angle it is going to deviate? That is angle of deviation. That is emergent ray. Okay. This is incident ray. So angle between the incident ray, original incident ray, and the emergent ray is known as angle of deviation. So if you trace it back, if you trace it back, it will incident at this point. This angle is known as angle of deviation. Okay, angle of deviation. I hope this is clear to you. And for detailed lecture, like you can contact me or you can send a message. Clear? Or you can ask in comment section. I will definitely help you. So this is angle of incidence I. This is refraction R1, R2. Okay. This is angle of emergence. And this is angle of prism. Okay. I think this much is required. Clear? Angle of deviation, they can ask, it is the angle between the incident ray and the emergent ray. That's all. And always draw the normal before drawing the angle of incidence. Okay, how will you show the angle of incidence? First, you have to draw the normal. This is also normal. So thank you so much. I hope this is clear. Option D is